Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Steven from Simple Tech. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can launch your on-screen keyboard on your Windows PC. So you may want to launch your on-screen keyboard if you're having difficulties typing some keys on your keyboard. So this one can be a help start before you replace your keyboard. So to get started, go to your start menu and then click on settings, then go to ease of access and then scroll down on your left panel and click keyboard, and then on the first option, use your device without a physical keyboard, just toggle to turn it on and off, and this one now will launch your on-screen keyboard. There's another simpler method, which is a combination of keys, that is Windows icon key, then Control, and then O. I will give this on the description box below, so you can try these options when you have issues with your physical keyboard. Another quick and alternative method to launch your on-screen keyboard will be to go to your search bar and search for on-screen, and then click on the first result. So in my opinion, this is the fastest, so you can use any method that is convenient to you. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and until next time, goodbye.